Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Hey, got a little workbench update for you. And just thought I'd show you the two other projects that I've been working on, which have been the NY 3D Creations figures that I had purchased. So the Batwoman and the Grinch. So I just thought I'd kind of show you where I'm at with this and just give you a little progress update. And in case you guys decide to buy some of these figures, I'll show you some of the issues I've had with it. So I've gotten Batwoman all primed. And you'll notice that this was definitely 3D printed because you can see all the striations. Once I primed this, all of the lines from the printing popped right out, which were invisible until I primed it. I don't think it'll be a big deal. I think once I finally get some paint on it, I think it'll hide it. So we'll see what happens there. So this actually went together fairly well once I cleaned up a few spots. The same thing with her head. There was a hole over here, so I filled that. And then, the rest of it went together well. So I'm looking forward to getting that painted. The cape, however, is a little annoying. Here, you can see the striations from the printing here. Right? This is all just primer. Okay. And places where I had sanded stuff smooth or filled popped right back out. But I wanted to show you the back of the cape. So all of these little holes, which were almost invisible when I got done sanding all this stuff down, popped right back out again. And they're all the little, I'm not sure what they call it in the 3D printing, where they're like the little supports, I guess, when it's printing. So now I need to go back and I need to refill all of this stuff in here, because this is just, that's unacceptable to me. So I'll have to go back and refill this, sand it back down, and then reprime it so I can paint it again. You can see them, you see the holes, the little, not holes, bumps where the little supports were for the 3D printing. And you can actually physically feel them. I mean, they feel like they're not, I sanded them smooth, but they're still there. But when I sanded them down before priming, they had virtually disappeared, but now they're back. So now I got to go back and, I guess, run some putty or something over it just to kind of cover it up. So there's that. And then you remember I was working on the Grinch. There he is. There's the Grinch. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. Remember my first video, I talked about putting his arms together and they didn't quite fit. It took a lot of sculpting, shaping the blocks for the arms to fit well enough to make the holes less noticeable. And then I just went and I used some Tamiya putty and filled that and then sanded it down just a little bit and then went over and painted it. So here's the Grinch. I think he actually turned out really well. I may go back and repaint his eye yellow a little bit, but yeah, he painted up really, really well. You can see here, even after, these are those pin marks from the printing. But I'm not too worried about it. It's the Grinch. And for the most part, he'll be glued down like this and you won't see it. But with the Batwoman's cape, you'll definitely see that. But yeah, I think the Grinch actually turned out well. Now I'm currently working on getting the base done for the Grinch. I have a couple ideas for decorating the base and all that kind of stuff. Make it look like something out of the movie. But yeah, that's where we're at. So that's what I've got. A little workbench update for you. Batwoman and the Grinch. I hope you guys like this. Again, thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate it. I appreciate all your comments and talking with everyone. And I'm trying to catch up on everybody's videos. Once you kind of fall behind on videos, it is horribly difficult to catch back up on everybody's work. And first of all, I want to say everybody's doing some amazing work out there. Please keep it up. You keep me motivated to keep painting. So I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you all have a wonderful week upcoming, especially with Thanksgiving in the very near future, right? Especially here in the U.S. I think Thanksgiving's next week. Or within a few days. I don't even know what freaking week it is. Anyway, so I hope everybody's doing well, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.